Hi everyone, it's Louisa. On Monday, I looked at the VF Corporation data breach. An official announcement was made on Thursday, January 18th, that the personal information of 35.5 million consumers was compromised. Today, we'll explore the GDPR in relation to this breach. The right to privacy is part of the 1950 European Convention on Human Rights. The GDPR is built around that, ensuring the data and privacy rights of its people. The VF Corporation reports that data compromised was not social security numbers, bank account or payment information, nor consumer passwords. Now, the GDPR defines personal data as any information that relates to an individual who can be directly or indirectly identified. Names and email addresses are personal data. Since the VF Corporation has dealings all over the world, they likely have EU consumers. So there are key aspects of the GDPR that would be relevant, such as data breach notifications. Organizations must report data breaches within 72 hours unless unlikely to harm individual rights. The VF Corporation reported a data breach to regulators. Another aspect is data protection measures. There are 7 mandatory data protection and accountability principles. You can see them on the screen. Most of these principles can be accomplished by following the guidelines found at Recital 78 of the GDPR. It basically states, to safeguard privacy and rights, companies must employ thorough and demonstrable technical and organizational measures when using personal data, ensuring necessity in its usage. I'll spend the rest of the time looking at accountability. The GDPR states the data controller is responsible for being able to demonstrate compliance with all of its principles, and it defines the data controller as the person who decides why and how personal data will be processed. So if you're an owner or an employee in your organization who handles data, this is you. So what can you do to improve the security of consumer data? You can implement the measures displayed on the screen. These measures help ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of client data. I hope you found value in this episode, and I'll see you next week.